A very good morning to all the parents and students. I'm Elizabeth, Principal of IGCSE. The world is facing an unprecedented crisis due to the spread of novel coronavirus. But we as educators and parents must encourage continuous learning no matter what form it takes. Hence, we at New Baldwin Group of Institutions are starting the IGCSE online classes for our Cambridge learners. I take this opportunity to thank our management for supporting us in all our endeavours. Much thanks to our Managing Director, Ms. Hamsa Venugopal, who's always been a great leader in leading us forward. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you about decades. What do you mean by decades? The multiples of 10 is called as decades. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and it continues like that. Okay, how do we get the midpoint of the given number? You have here 0 and 10. You have to write the numbers in between 0 and 10. After 0 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We are not going to write 0 as well as 10 because we are going to write the numbers in between these two. So we will be starting from the next number and we will be ending before that. How to find the midpoint, that is the center number? You can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits are there? There are 9 digits over here. So count from your left one number and from your right one number. So underline them first and then go to the next number, underline 2 and then underline 8. Next, go to the left side, underline 3 and then underline 7. Again go to left, underline 4 and underline 6. Which number is left out? The number 5 is left out. So that is the center number or midpoint of the given number. Next, we will find the midpoint between 30 and 40. Again, when you want to find the midpoint between 30 and 40, you will not write 30 as well as 40. You will start from 31. So start writing 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39. Again, do in the same way as explained over here. Underline 31 towards your left, underline 39 towards your right. Again, underline 32 towards your left and 38 towards your right. Underline 33 towards your left and 37 towards your right and 34 and 36. The number which is left out is 35. You can see that the number which has 5 forms the midpoint. It is the same over here also, even in the case of 70 as well as 80. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. The midpoint is nothing but 75. You can follow the same method as explained above. Again, next we have 60, between 60 and 70. It's 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. The midpoint is 65. You can refer page number 5 to find out about decades. If you have already bought the books, you can refer this reader. If you are not, please go and buy the books, children. Children, now I will teach you how to write in your classwork. Write the subheading as decade, underline, and then below that you write 10, comma, give one finger space, and then write 20, comma, give one finger space, write 30, comma, give one finger space and write 40, give one finger space and write 50, then 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Can you see I have left one finger space in between? It looks very neat when you write in this way. Follow the same steps for writing in skip of 2, 3, 5 and 10 also. Give one finger space in between the numbers. Okay children? Here's a small video about decades.
We're in a hot air balloon, and as we ascend, we're counting how high up we go in groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. Then we saw a blue jay flying with his friends. We asked him to sing along with us and count by tens. We said, "Excuse me, sir and madam, but I am just a bird. For me to count by tens would simply be absurd."
Is he holding a pin?
We're in a hot air balloon and we're about to descend, counting how much lower we go in groups of 10. 190, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and then 10.
Phew! We're alive!
I could tell that ride had really scared my friend, so I tried to think of a safer way to count by 10. I thought for a while, but a thought came to my mind. This time let's try to find a mountain we can climb. We're at the bottom of a mountain, and as we ascend, we're counting how high up we go in groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. We saw a bald eagle and asked him to be our friend. And if he'd come along with us and count by 10, he said,
Well, I can't count, but watch out. Don't step on that branch. If you break it, you might start an avalanche.
Oh no! That can't be good!
we're at the top of the mountain and about to descend. We're counting down to the ground in groups of 10. 190, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and then 10.
Hope you have enjoyed the video. Now let us learn about the skip counting. Skip counting in twos. What do you mean by twos? The multiples of 2, it forms a skip counting in twos. So it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. How do we do that? 1 and 2. Then 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. 9 and 10. So it goes on. You have to skip one number in between to do the skip counting in twos. Next comes the skip counting in threes. It is nothing but the multiples of 3. So you can see that these are the multiples of 3 tables. You might have learnt up to 3 tens are 30, but beyond that also we have the numbers. Okay, so it is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48. How do we do that? 1, 2 and 3. Then start 4, 5 and 6. In between you are leaving 2 numbers and the third number becomes your actual answer. That is how you do the skip counting in 3s. Next comes the skip counting in 5s. These are the multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. You know how to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next you will start with 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here you continue like that. Next comes in tens. These are the multiples of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So how do you get this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again you start from 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So did you follow how to do skip counting in 10? Hope you have understood today's topic. And today's homework is write numbers from 201 to 300 and write the numbers between each of the two multiples of 10 and circle the midpoint of each set of numbers. So when you are writing this, you should not include these two numbers. The numbers which comes in between has to be written and the midpoint has to be determined by you. Okay children, thank you. Take care. Bye bye.